that with the feathers on their feet.
Yeah. They ain't got no baby chickens. Yeah. Tired. So I done got tired. I'm just tired.
I love chickens. Man, that is a big chicken.
Here's some little ones over here for first place. Hey, cutie. Got your first place flag, huh?
The poultry shutters. See, I like the little feathers on the feet.
Oh yeah, that's cute. That's different. I'm not used to that. I'm used to the ones with the smooth feet. Yeah, that's the one that I want. Hey,
That's the chicken I want. Right there. No, right here.
where?
The one over there.
Oh wow, that's cute. Oh, fancy chicken.
Yeah.
You got you a grand champion award. Go ahead on.
Let's get an egg.
Who got an egg? Fancy chicken. Reserve champion portrait. She sure do. I had you an egg. Get ready to have another one, ain't you? Turn around so I can see you. Covering up your old egg down there. Oh, they are so fluffy. I can't even see their face. Hey, wow. You are so fancy. I can like barely see your beak. That is amazing. Wow. You are fancy, 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 fancy. And your friend is fancy with her egg. And you're quiet over here. And Amber ain't gonna never be this country. I say I'm not gonna be this country.
No, not this much.